Photography. What is photography? It's being outside in nature or in the city or everywhere you want. You can take pictures everywhere. So, photography. Today I'm taking this beast for a spin. This is the Nikon Z50 II, which I purchased about the end of last year. Sadly, I had to sell something, which was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I had a lot of accessories and I sold it to buy this one because the Osmo Pocket 3 is not really a tool for photography. It is excellent for videography, which I also like, videography. But today I'm gonna take this one for a spin and I will put you on my chest, close to my heart. Oh. And this will be like a POV video. Hope you enjoy. I will show the pictures on screen straight out of the camera and let's go. I got my tools right here, the power bank, so I don't run out of juice. Okay, let's go. So I'm using the kit lens that came with it. I bought it for around 1,000 euros or 1,100 euros. Dollars is pretty much the same. Yeah, this is the adapter to put it on my Sirui tripod. And yep, let's take it off. It is cloudy today, but we're used to that here in Belgium. See, it's really cloudy. Autumn has begun. Alright, so I always put it in manual mode. Dial down, dial up the shutter speed right about there. I don't know if you can see it. For ISO, always keep it low. I will shoot at 24 millimeters. And let's take a walk. Let's see. Let's try this. Put the focus. Something in the foreground maybe. Zoom in a little bit so you can see better. There. Nice shot. Oh, this looks good. I will shoot this one at 20 millimeters. That's nice. Look at all those green colors. This used to be a cooling cellar during World War II, but it's closed off now. When I was little, it was still open and we could get in. It's like a turn and then a dome-shaped structure inside where they cooled their things that needed to be cooled. But now it's apparently a bat cave, not the bat cave, but a bat cave. And I like this door, a little bit darker. Take another one. This is artistic. Let's see. Yeah. Nice. I like it. Alright, let's go. Now you see the woods close to my home. Oh, got off a tree right here. Oh, it's blocked. Oh no. There is a path. Maybe I can take a picture. Zoom in a little bit. Let's see. There. Nice, eh? The woods are always the most beautiful during autumn, but it's early autumn, not that colorful yet. Wow, this looks good. Oh, someone took a dump here. I'm gonna take this in focus. Oh, looks good. A bit closer. Nice. Very, very nice. Oh, there. Oh, an alarm. Let's see. What do we find over here? A swamp. It is a swamp. But looks cool though. Look at that tree. I need to push this a little bit down. Focus on the log, the tree log. So this is such a versatile camera. They say it's for beginners, but I've seen pros shoot with it as well. I'm shooting low to the ground now to get a nice perspective. Nice composition, man. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, now I can see the whole thing. Cool. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Because of all the thunderstorms that came through, it's a nice composition. I think it's too... Is it too dirty, too swampy? It's moist, too moist to get in. I will sink in. We don't want that. Maybe you want it, but I don't. Maybe a little landscape as well. Sorry, portraits. Portraits. Things are falling down over here. Nice. Very nice composition. Always look for a composition. A nice composition. That is key in photography. You find the right composition for your video. Wow. I've never been through here. Let's see. Maybe something in the foreground. Lock on focus. And go. Focus repositioning. You half press the button and you move your camera. So you half press and the focus point will remain at the same position, and you move your camera to get this nice little effect. Whoa! Look at that! Nice little bridge. Let's get on it and shoot some pictures from up here. Oh, this looks cool as well. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, falling over. I hope you enjoyed this video, this little walk with me in my local forests or the woods, the woodlands. This was woodland photography mostly. I didn't see any animals, although there are some rebuck around here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video, probably about photography or videography. And I'm gonna go home because it's starting to get very windy and the rain is falling down. So see you in the next one. Bye.